Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to check QuillBot history. QuillBot does not have a built-in history feature to view paste, paraphrased or summarized text. However, you can try this method to recover your past work. If you paraphrase text on QuillBot website, you can check your browser history. Open up your browser and click Ctrl+H on Windows and Command+Y on Mac. If you use Firefox or Edge browser, press Ctrl+H. If you copied a paraphrased text, check your clipboard history. Press Windows+V to open clipboard history. On Mac, use Clipboard Manager app like Paste or Copy Clip. If you pasted your QuillBot output into Google Docs or Microsoft Word, check for version history. In the Google Docs, go to File, Version History and see Version History. In the MS Word, you can click on File, Info and Version History. If you accidentally closed QuillBot, you can recover the session using browser extensions like Session Body or Tab Session Manager. To prevent losing your work in future, always copy and save important text in a notepad or Google Docs. Use Clipboard History tool for backup. So that is how you can check QuillBot history. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.